So today we will discuss on laboratory hazards and safety practices. Good laboratory practices are the integral part of conducting laboratory work. So let's discuss one by one what is the definition of laboratory hazard. So any source with potential to cause harm to the people, property, or the environment of the laboratory are known as laboratory hazards. What is the importance of hazard awareness? Why we should know of the hazards? Because it ensures safety, compliance, and research and work integrity. Now, what are the various categories of these hazards in the laboratory? They can be physical hazard, they can be chemical, biological hazards, ergonomic hazards, and radiological hazards. So let's discuss one by one. So physical hazards include the injury from the sharp objects, heat, noise, or slips. Then chemical hazards can include the injury or harm from acids, solvent, toxic fumes. Biological hazards can be hazards from pathogens, blood-borne diseases. Then ergonomic pertinent to the working style in the laboratory. So poor workstation setup will lead to various effects on the posture. Then radiological hazards, including the X-ray and radioactive isotopes and hazards caused by them. Now, what is the physical hazards? See it in detail. So, what can be the examples of physical hazards? They can be the burns from hot plates or Bunsen burners, or cuts from broken glasswares, or slips from the wet floors. So, these can be the various causes leading to the harm to the workers. Then how can we prevent ourselves from these physical hazards? Proper footwear. Wearing proper footwear, use guards and shields, maintain clean workplace. Then chemical hazards. So examples of chemical hazards are various corrosive chemicals like HCl, NaOH, H2SO4, etc. Then flammable liquids like ethanol, acetone, then toxic compound like mercury and cyanides. How can we prevent? By using fume hoods, then wearing gloves, goggles, proper labeling and storage, then use of various hazard symbol like this is corrosive, this is flammable and toxic. So various symbols can be tagged at the particular places where these harmful chemicals are kept. Now, biological hazards. Examples are hazard caused by bacteria, viruses, fungi, blood-borne pathogens. How can we prevent? Prevention by biosafety cabinets, then disinfection procedure, then vaccination where applicable, then uh, overview of the biosafety level 1 to 4. Then ergonomic hazards pertinent to the postural effect. So examples are like repetitive pipetting strains or improper microscopic posture. Then prevention, adjustable by use of adjustable chairs, ergonomic pipettes and scheduled breaks. Then radiological hazards, they include the X-ray machine, radioisotopes like phosphorus 32 and iodine 125. These are all radioisotopes. Then prevention using lead shielding, dosimeter badges, training and licensing requirements. So these are the ways to prevent from radiological exposure. Then personal protective equipment. What are these equipments? The examples are like lab coats, gloves, goggles, face shields, etc. Then proper uses of these PPE. The PPE selection based on hazard type, then visual PPE checklist graphics. Then what can be the emergency procedures? So we should be aware of fire safety, fire blankets, extinguishers, chemical spill management. We should be aware of how to manage the chemical spill. Then first aid kit location and its uses, Then evacuation routes in case of when the fire broke out. Then safety signage, use of a globally harmonized system, which is for classification and labeling of various chemicals that should be used. So GHS hazard pictogram should be used. Then biohazard signs should be mentioned. Radiation warning sign should be given and should be tagged on the walls. Then waste disposal, segregation of biological, chemical and sharp waste. Then color coded bins should be used for different kind of waste disposal. Then disposable protocol should be followed. Now summary, the hazards are preventable with awareness and training and use of PPE and SOPs or standard operating procedures are essential. Safety is everyone's responsibility. Thank you.